Have you ever tried to enlarge an image only to find out that it looks like hot garbage? And if you have stretched it big enough, you will find that you will lose any semblance of quality that was present in that image. Now, we have tried to solve this issue with better cameras that have more megapixels in them. However, the cameras are expensive, files are huge, and even then they are not completely immune to the problem of losing quality when they are being enlarged. If only there was a solution to this problem. Well, there is. Well, kind of. Let me explain. So, most of the pictures that you take on our phones and cameras and see on the internet are raster images. What does that mean? Raster images are composed of pixels. Pixels are small areas of light that have a particular color and brightness information, and your camera or the computer just tells it where the pixels should be and what colors they should be. And millions of these pixels now form an image. However, when you stretch such an image, the computer now has to guess what the extra pixels should be in terms of color and where they should be in terms of position, which we can all agree is not a good idea despite of what you've heard about ChatGPT. So, how do you combat that? This is where vector graphics come in. Unlike raster images, vector graphics are not composed of pixels. However, they're composed of geometrical calculations. What do I mean by that? Well, you see, unlike raster images, which defines images by pixels, vector images define images by their shape. So instead of this million pixel is colored blue, vector graphics will just say to the computer, hey, this box, which is this length by this length, is blue, from millions of pixels to just the shape and size of the box, which makes it easier for the computer to calculate the size and then fill in the color when you expand the image. This is also why vector graphics will also have a lower file size, because instead of having 1,000 pixels that is of a particular color, it will now have one box or a circle or a triangle or a rectangle that is of that particular color. So wait a minute, you are telling me, or I am telling you, that the file size can be smaller and it can be expanded as much as we want. So why are we not using vector graphics everywhere? Well, you see, there's a problem. See, vector graphics lack pixels, which also translates to them lacking in quality. There's not much detail in them. So while vector graphics may be good for people like me, graphics designer, who design things like logos and arts that doesn't really require much detail in them and is by design required to be scaled up to be put on a billboard or a visiting card or a business card, raster graphics are better for detailed images like photos and videos and everything else. So yeah, those are the differences. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you.